Hello, viewers. Welcome back to the second episode on usage of cloud in manufacturing industry. I am Syed Siraj. I'm the CEO of 5 Minutes SST India Operations, and we have with us Ganesh Madda, our
Right.
CEO of 5 Minutes SST US Operations. Ganesh, welcome back.
Thank you very much, viewers. Okay.
Yeah. So, Ganesh, last week you had given us very good three key topics that is useful for manufacturing industry. One you said was predictive maintenance, second, improved efficiency, and third was enhanced digital manufacturing. Today, I would like to ask you a simple question about predictive maintenance. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Say.
So if we look at manufacturing industries, right, before cloud came into picture, maintenance topic was mostly reactive. Very rarely there was predictive maintenance involved. But now, because of the evolution of cloud, um, do you sincerely believe a lot more of predictive maintenance has come into play?
Yes. Okay. And I would like to explain that in a very detailed fashion how the cloud and is helping the manufacturing industry rather going into a predictive maintenance. Okay. Because there are so many tools in the cloud that we should embrace it. Okay. That way, that will help the manufacturing industry. Basically, manufacturing requires significant capital investment, and it is critical to keep equipment running to realize expected ROI and to properly service customers. Investment are so high in the traditional maintenance into that. Okay. And if there is a breakdown, okay, on that particular machinery, then the whole ROI returns are going down. And then there will be a lot of losses, okay, incurred by the manufacturing industry. Using the predictive maintenance capabilities into the cloud IoT services, okay, technicians are able to identify the problems before they use the breakdowns. So this is something which cloud is helping us a lot and nowadays into that. All the IoT sensors are there available. They can link into that. Okay, they can have the tools. There are a lot of softwares and there are a lot of open source into that. This allows the technicians to proactively perform time-saving repairs and quicker fixes rather than reactive maintenance. We are predicting that these are going to be breaking down, and then hence the predictive maintenance is very important, and that's why we should embrace that cloud. And the IoTs, these sensors are very cheap nowadays, and where they are available everywhere in the market and easily installable in all the different types of devices or machineries. It may be the old, new, and everywhere. Okay, but you can have your dashboards, you can create all of that, okay, and then perform that. This internet and the cloud technologies have opened up fresh markets, okay, and because there is also an IoT industry 4.0 space also is giving a new dimension in monitoring and asset management and become widely available or viable for every manufacturing industry. And this is very less cost, okay, but it gives a more ROI, and maintenance is very easy for all their machineries. The rate of returns is very 10x ROI they can achieve because of this IoTs, and also 20 to 30% reduction in maintenance costs, 70 to 75% elimination of breakdowns, 35 to 45% reduction in downtime, 20 to 25% increase in the production. You can see that that's where when the production is increased, their ROIs are increased, okay, their overall profits are increased. So you can see that the overall benefits by embracing the cloud and the IoT technology is much more, okay, beneficial for the manufacturing industry. That's what I want to tell. Embrace the cloud, embrace the technology, and then use the predictive maintenance rather than reactive maintenance.
That's wonderful. I think this is a very, very valid point. With the cost of the devices coming down, the cost of the individual components coming down, and with a lot of open source technology available, organizations should be able to embrace cloud and help with predictive maintenance, help save their costs. Awesome. Thank you, Ganesh. Thank you for the wonderful input.
Thank you very much, Sayed, for hosting me, and also viewers. Okay, please go and follow 5 Minute SST and also like the posting.